It was interesting because she was talking about how people were on the ice, and then when they panned to it, nobody was there. And I thought, I wonder if they were out there and they noticed a news crew with cameras.
And they quickly got,
They're going,
well,
okay.
our director said in the bump shot going to the commercial break, there were people on the ice.
Yeah.
That you could see way
Nobody
out in the
wants to
distance.
get caught.
It's one of those things, we say it every year, you hear it, you know it, but people feel like, I'll be okay, I'm just going to go out there for a minute. Not only are you putting yourself at risk and anybody that you take onto the ice with you, but to get you off, you're now putting at risk the lives of first responders that have to come and save you.
And I always wondered if there would be some sort of charge or something. Say if you had to be rescued, if you'd have to pay for it.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
not good.
That's how warm is it going to get?
Well, we're sitting at 50 degrees right now, and it's not so much the temperatures, it's the wind. The wind direction is a very, very big player in how ice behaves on Lake Erie because the wind will push the ice. And it's a southwest wind that we have. You can see the camera behind Jay and Christy that was bouncing. It's that gusty southwest wind that's pushing on the ice, and we are already starting to see open water developing just outside of our studios. So actually for the next half hour, team in the control room, if we could get the Roker cam fired up and pointed north, that might be kind of cool. Thanks, Matt. All right, so temperatures this evening hanging right around 50 for now. It's beautiful. Get out, enjoy, do your thing. We will see more cloud cover filling in late tonight and the temperatures dipping back into the low 40s. Clean sweep on the radar. We got no rain on right now. That changes by tomorrow morning, though. In the meantime, it's that brisk southwesterly breeze that is helping to pump the temperatures into the upper 40s and low 50s at this hour. And when I say brisk, I mean we are clocking wind gusts that are over 35 miles per hour from time to time. Sustained winds anywhere from 10 to 25 miles per hour. And again, those wind gusts are really going to be powerful as we head through the rest of the evening. But late tonight, the wind gust speeds start to come down, which is definitely going to be welcome. I don't think you're going to have too many problems, though, this evening. So if it's trash night, that's another story as you drag the trash out, maybe make sure the lid is on. But otherwise, it's just waiting to see what is coming next. And what is coming next is a series of storm systems that will definitely be keeping us on our toes this week. The first of which will bring rain showers our way late tonight and to start the day tomorrow. Timing of that rain, as of right now, it looks like we stay dry all the way past midnight here in northern Ohio. It's not until the early morning, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., that we really start to see these rain chances kicking up, and then we'll hold on to scattered rain as we head through a good chunk of the day tomorrow. To put it on your National Designer hour-by-hour map, you can see that we stay dry through the evening. This is a stop the clock at midnight moment. You can see we're in the upper 30s, and temperatures are definitely held up with that southwesterly breeze. In the early morning, this is 5 a.m., you can see the swath of rain that's pushing through. This looks like it's a pretty good batch of rain that will be coming in. We're not anticipating any flooding out of this, but you can see that we do have some of the darker greens and even some of the yellows, which is indicative of moderate to maybe at times heavy rain showers passing through. But then that moves out by 8 a.m., and we're just dealing with scattered rain chances that kind of linger throughout the day after that. Noontime, you can see we have more rain showers that are just scattered across the area. Winds will stay blustery tomorrow. We are not anticipating as much wind, and our temperatures tomorrow afternoon will likely make it into the mid and upper 40s across northern Ohio before we dry things out late day. There's a look at how much rain is coming. Like I said, don't get too excited, but it does look like we're probably going to pick up anywhere from a few hundredths to upwards of 0.2 of an inch. That best chance farther south where those heavier rain chances were indicated in the forecast. And it's the rain chances that will be with us and the timing of those rain chances that kind of does lend the idea that we're probably going to have some impacts. I mean, we have enough problems on the roadways most days when it's dry, so you throw some rain chances in there and that does mess with things just a little bit. But no high impact events coming, even though it's going to be busy. Here's a look at your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Yep, we're still looking at 50 degrees with rain showers on Wednesday. Cooling temperatures through the day Thursday may introduce some snow mixing in with the rain by the end of the day. We get a break on Friday as we hold right around 40, very seasonable for this time of the year. Showers develop later in the day on Saturday, and then look at the cold air that's punching in behind that round of rain with mostly sunny skies. Sunday we will be in the upper 20s, so we'll have to look for some ice issues around the area if we have a little bit of a flash freeze that sets up. But then even next week we're looking at mild air, more rain. So it's just getting into this very busy cycle right now where we have storm systems that are going to be passing through every few days.
Yeah. All right. Looks like winter's over. Thanks.
Well, pump the
Don't
brakes,
speak
boy.
too soon.
No, I know.
Now we're in trouble and you know it.
I'm going to need 3 more degrees out of Wednesday, by the way. That's all. See you soon.
Doesn't look good, but we'll try.
Okay.